Hi, this is Andrew from Tech for Dads. I wanted to do a quick review of the Alitov ALT-2404, 24 volt, 96 watt, and this is the 4 amp version. And it is a power adapter that can be used, like I'm using it for my, as you see it here in the background, for my AMS2 Pro that came with my H2C 3D printer from Bambu Lab. And they don't include a power supply because they expect you to use it using the power directly off the printer itself, which is fine. But as you add them, or if you want to run your dryer while it's printing off of a different AMS or like a HT, it will warn you that you're pulling too much power from the printer itself. So something like this can be very helpful. So if you're in the market for one of these, I just wanted to let you know and reassure you that it does work well with the AMS2. And you can pick it up right here. Thanks.